Привет! 5 Russian expressions with the word brain. Has your boyfriend or girlfriend ever blown up your mind? Learn how to say these and other phrases in Russian. Number 1. Взрыв мозга. Mosque is translated as a brain. Взрыв is explosion. So literally, взрыв мозга is explosion of your brain. When can you use this expression? For example, when Russian learners try to read this, the word шиншилла in Russian, это просто взрыв мозга. To tell the truth, Russians who learn the present perfect in English have very similar feelings. For them, the difference between I have written and I wrote is взрыв мозга. Number 2. Выносить мозг. When your girlfriend or boyfriend keeps on speaking about something you already know or starts criticizing you, is just bothering or annoying, you can say «Хватит выносить мне мозг». Выносить, take out. We usually use this verb for the garbage. Take out the garbage. In this context, it means blowing up your mind. So stop blowing up my mind. Хватит выносить мне мозг. Or just не выноси мне мозг. Don't blow up my mind. Number 3. Включать мозг or включать мозги. A colloquial variant of the same word brain. Включать means to switch on or to turn on. So when somebody tells you that you should включить мозги, it means that you should start thinking, start analyzing, and just use your brain. For example, if you try to solve a mathematical problem, somebody can tell you «Включай мозги». It's not that difficult. Just think a little bit more. Phrase number 4. Сломать мозг or сломать мозги. To break the brain. It was so difficult that I just сломала себе мозг. I just broke my brain because it was that difficult. And the phrase number 5. Промывать мозги. Промывать мозги means brainwashing. It's when somebody tries to manipulate you, make you believe something that is not true. For example, many people think that television brainwashes your mind a lot. These were 5 phrases for today. Which one did you like most of all? Write in the comments. Пока-пока!